In this video, I will show you how to connect ShineOn to WooCommerce. First, log into your ShineOn account. On the right-hand side of the dashboard, you will see the list of ShineOn partners that you can connect with. Now, open a new tab. In the search bar, type Order Desk ShineOn and press Enter. Click on the link that says ShineOn plus Order Desk. From there, just click Add ShineOn to Order Desk. At this point, you can either log in if you already have an account or simply create a new one. When creating an account, you will be asked for your business name, and then select the option that best describes your business. Fill out the rest of the details, then click Create Account. Once you're inside Order Desk, look over to the left side of the screen and scroll down until you find Manage Integrations. Click on that. Here you will see a list of all the shopping carts you can connect to. Scroll until you find WooCommerce and click Enable. Now it's going to ask you for the link to your WooCommerce account, so we will need to grab that. Open a new tab and search for WooCommerce. Click on the very first result, then create an account by filling in your details. Once your WooCommerce account is set up, just copy the link of your store, head back over to Order Desk, paste the link in, and click Continue. And that's how to connect ShineOn to WooCommerce.